If you need to unlink your EA account from Steam, you need to do it carefully because this is one of those account changes that can have real consequences if you rush it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlink EA from Steam step by step, and I'll also point out the important warning you need to read before you click the final button. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and account guides. Now let's get started. First, just know that you cannot unlink your EA account from inside the Steam client. This is not something you can do through your Steam library or by opening a game. You have to use the EA account settings portal in your browser. So open your web browser and go to the EA account settings page. Once the page loads, log in with the EA account that is currently connected to your Steam account. Make sure you use the correct EA login, because if you sign into the wrong one, you won't see the Steam connection you're trying to remove. After you sign in, you'll land inside your EA account dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Connected Accounts tab and click it. This section shows the external services linked to your EA profile, including platforms like Steam. In the list of connected accounts, find Steam and locate the Unlink button next to it. Before you click anything, pause for a moment and double check that this is the correct account. Unlinking can affect access to games, saves, or account-linked content, and EA has strict rules around this process. In some cases, there may also be cooldowns or restrictions if you try to relink accounts later, so it's smart to be absolutely sure before continuing. Now click Unlink next to Steam. EA will likely trigger a security step and send a verification code to the email address connected to your EA account. Open your inbox, find the message from EA, and copy the verification code. Go back to the EA portal and enter that code when prompted. This confirms that you're the account owner and allows the unlink request to continue. After that, EA will display a large warning box explaining the consequences of unlinking. Read this carefully even if you're in a hurry. This warning is there for a reason, and it usually explains that some progress, ownership, or account access may not transfer back easily after unlinking. If you understand the warning and you still want to continue, check the box that says I understand. Then click Unlink to finish the process. Once it goes through, Steam will no longer be connected to that EA account. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your EA account from Steam. If you're planning to reconnect it later, be very careful and make sure you understand EA's rules before you do anything else. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.